You're looking mighty comfortable there on your vacation with your breakfast.
Yeah, there's nothing like eating your scrambled eggs outside in the beautiful dry air. Actually, a little cool breeze.
Yeah.
It's nice. I could get used to this.
Yeah, I got me some bacon and eggs too. Adam made 3 pounds of bacon, or 2 at least, last night while we were driving in. On the smoker, it's really good. So something you don't see in North Carolina, hops. They're looking, they're looking pretty good to me.
Yeah, they're not as thick as they should be.
Yeah, the late cold snap set them back a little bit this year. Well, Michelle has such the happy little pretty garden. We get along. We like plants and Legos and birds and all kinds of books. Got a lot of common interests. So they recently installed this bird feed bird bath, and it's solar powered for the camera and solar powered for the little fountain thing, and it definitely attracts some birds. Very self-sustaining. Looks more substantial in person than in the pictures, I think. The bird feed should look familiar, and the suet and the hummingbird feeder, and ring and a bird bath. Does such a good job. We're here where Michelle teaches school, and we are checking out the garden area, making sure everything is watered. We got lots of sunflowers coming up. Those are going to be pretty. I like the little totem pole.
Yeah.
That's cute.
This is always sunflowers. This one.
That one's huge. Yeah.
That one comes up every year.
Have a sunflower that comes back?
Yeah, they'll seed, so they'll drop the seed.
Yeah.
And then
it just
enough and it
okay.
comes back.
Okay. These are green peppers or some sort of pepper.
Yeah, these are private.
Okay. Yeah, it does say hot peppers. Yeah, we're out tooling around in Michelle's new Performance Model Y Juniper. Very nice. Look at those red calipers. I'm jealous of the red calipers for sure. Yay, I'm going to be in my first Walmart on the trip. Don forgot his sleep mask, and he's sort of desperate for one. And not so much at Michelle and Adam's house, but when we get back on the road, he was having to put my hat over his head. Just checking out the clearance plants here at Walmart. You can take a girl out of her state, but you can't take her away from her plants. The local charging scene. You know, we had to check that out too. So we've not, Don and I haven't seen this before. These pedestals have a sign on them. It tells you this is the one for this side, green. Don't use this one. This is the one for the other side, red, because there's, you know, parking on both sides here. So that's pretty helpful. We've wished we've had those stickers a few times. So we were coming a few stoplights back down this road, and I said, hey, look, there's the mountains. And Michelle's like, no, 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 those are the foothills. The mountains are, I can see snow on something over there, so I can call that a mountain. We just have some cute fun and back and forth, because people that live at 175 or 300 feet like we do in Fuquay, our idea of a mountain is a little less tall than some other people's idea of a mountain. It's just kind of for fun. It's kind of for fun. But the view is improving as we were going west toward the foothills.
Yes.
Well, there's Creel House. That's the first time I've seen it put together in person. I'm tempted, but you know, I have my own stick-built Creel House too. We're visiting the Lego store. I really like that owl. We're at Colorado Mills. Yeah, but I can't justify another owl since I already have an owl. There's Don surviving his walk through the mall with us. Hey, Donnie. Hey, Michelle, it's a mermaid horse on a carousel. I bet you'd be riding this one. I think it's a real Denzel. If it's not, it's a great replica. The Colorado Mills has Rivian Adventure, Electrify America, and Tesla.
Version 3, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow,
There's the
Rivian.
Rivian. Can you drive us around in front of it so I can see it? I don't think I've seen it in Rivian Adventure Network charger yet. Yeah. We don't have any that I'm aware of near us in Raleigh. Okay. Well,
They're
cool.
Pretty well designed. I mean, they look functional looking.
Adam's plugged into it. It was funny. He plugged TARS into this, and then there was a Rivian plugged into
the Tesla network.
One. Yeah.
Funny. Rivian's got to pull through here for a trailer.
That is, yeah.
Handy. A lot of the old Tesla infrastructure doesn't have great trailer accessibility and pull-ins and handicap and stuff, but all the new stuff is getting put in with a lot of thought to it, I think.
And this is the one that when you're coming down from the mountains, this is the one to hit.
People need it. Well, you know, I had to bring a little bit of 3D stuff to Colorado. Cherry blossoms for spring. Yeah, Michelle uses some of the articulated shelf sitters for teaching the alphabet to first graders. So I've been looking for unique letter buddies. Relaxation time, and Adam has been showing me for months, years now, smoked meat off the equipment back here, and tonight I'm gonna get to sample some kebabs. I'm looking forward to it.
You notice it looks very used.
Well, yeah. Adam is the meat man for all important family occasions out here.
Yeah. My girl, she be buzzed. Yes, sir.
Memories.
And of
Thanks.
course, there are plenty of buzzed people here.
Do you know how to rotate the camera? He rotated it the wrong way and he's straight.
Now, be nice to me. Let's see. Let's push
At least
this
he's
button.
consistent.
Here,
He does that at home.
nope, that's the face detection.
You guys will like the
Yeah, I had that great video with Kyle of the S85, and Don's like looking at the
I'm feeling no pain
at
too.
all.
Here we go. This is supper. We have kebabs on the smoker and a fancy wind-up clock motor rotisserie thing.
Oh, Roto
Roto Cube?
Cube.
Roto Cube. And
Barbecue.
like barbecue, but Roto Cube. And there's this plastic that I don't know. It doesn't feel like silicone, but apparently it can take the heat. Yeah, I don't know, but anyway, we're getting ready to eat, and you know, we're enjoying our cool beverages on a warm summer day. Or after.
Yes.
We're out taking a little sunset tour in Adam's Cybertruck. We got our first real view of the mountains. Am I allowed to say that? Have I got it right? Okay.
You can see the sunset.
Yeah, it was really pretty. We're on this really great twisty road headed up to, I'm allowed to say Lookout Mountain?
We're on Lookout.
Or is it, we're on Lookout Mountain. Okay, but we're on our way to the lookout.
One of them.
One of them, okay. It's just a joke about us flatlanders. We think anything that's a hill is a mountain.
This is just
Down there in the valley is Coors and the School of the Mines.
Jake was really close to where
Whee!
So see, we were just up there by the towers.
Yeah, we were. Pretty cool. Okay, so through the pass there, down the valley, is Coors. So there's Coors.
And this is 6th Avenue.
And there's School of the Mines.
Yep.
It's a pretty cool view up here for sure.
like a plateau or a mesa or whatever.
So we're here in Golden, Colorado, overlooking Clear Creek and the M up on Lookout Mountain for the Colorado School of the Mines. And Coors is behind us.
This is the water for coolers.
Yeah, it sounds nice. It's really nice